अबे भाई lots of new lakes have been formed because of the rain. And I hope it doesn't rain again, because we will be screwed. We don't have a raincoat. We don't have anything to protect ourselves from the rain. God save us. Yamuna is overflowing right now. Oh buddy, just look at this. The levels of Yamuna are like at the top. There was actually a flood warning for Delhi this week. This is rare. Yamuna overflowing is very rare. Let's go. They are all here for the photos. They also know it's a rare event. Everybody is here with their families. Wow. That space looks beautiful. Wah, 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 wah. Beautiful! Whoa! Traffic everywhere. Whoa. Good guy. He already has the raincoat and the rain pants. When will you be smart like this, Alex? When will that day come? Oh!
जबरदस्ती मत कीजिए, जरूरी नहीं कि जब आपका मन हो तभी हमारा भी।
Look at the size of that flag. It's probably the biggest one I have seen. Beautiful. Wow, Java. इसको देखो. He's putting the indicator here and going here. Oh God.
आज ही बदल लिया सा।
Oh damn. That's another big, huge flag. Wow. It is bringing up some emotions inside me, man.
Feeling a proud Indian army.
Wow, wow. Dope, man, dope. Wow, the traffic is early today. यहीं से शुरू हो गया. Damn, this is going to be one long traffic line. This is going to be tough. Benefits of having a two-wheeler. You can go by the sides and get your vehicle and others' vehicles scratched. But yeah, definitely move through the traffic. Oh, Ladakh.
अबे साले।
Mini Ladakh. अरे भाई देख तो ले एक बार. Such guts. Nice. That was nice. He didn't give a shit. He's in public. He just wants to dance. Horns? Does that helmet have horns? Wow, that's very creative actually. Looks nice as well. Whoa, stupid guy. Watch before you open the door. That Java guy would have gotten hit.
नहीं, मैं इस अन्याय को सहूंगा नहीं।
तो इंडिकेटर डाल ले। अरे यार कैसे लोग हैं भाई साहब।
शर्म करो, भगवान से डरो।
अरे बाबू लोग हेलमेट पहन लो। It feels like my only job with the motovlog is to find people without helmet and speak about them on the motovlog. अभी के लिए कंटेंट यही है.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
This is all I have. Those clouds out there are not a good signal. Nope. Are we entering into a rain zone? Oh. Yeah, please. It is going to rain. We are screwed. It's happening. What I feared the most.
My God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
It's going to rain, but right now it's very soft, but I can feel it slowly build up. Look at that. Oh my God, this is going to pour down so heavy. We have to find a shelter very soon. Otherwise, all the laptops and all the other gadgets that I have with me will all go kaput. Not a red light, man. Not at this point. Oh, you're dead. Khatam. People have already taken shelter. Shit, we are late.
गया
Whoa, look at the horns on these. Oh my God. Time for some update. So here are the list of things that needs to be repaired on Django. Number one, this faded thing, this faded paint, we need to paint it black again, and it's fixed properly, so we don't need any more welding on this. This is fine. Another thing we need to do is we need to change the chain and the sprocket as well. If you look at it, the teeth of the sprocket are totally gone. We'll just go for just couple of another 100 or 200 or kilometers, but then it will start snapping out of the chain. Engine is all leaked. We need to clean that and also put in more oil. So those works are pending. If you come around here, all of this is fine pretty much, but in the front the disc has to be cleaned, the disc pads have to be cleaned, and the back the rear brake, in the back the rear brake pads, rear brake shoe has also, the rear brake shoe needs to be also changed. And in the fronts here we need a clamp for setting our mobile, and what else, we need new mirrors, man. Look at these, all rusted, gone. So sorry Django, the way I have kept you all these years.
मजा नहीं आ रहा है.
If you look at this, this used to be, this was something that I got it fixed so that I can keep my leg while touring. So this is fine, this still works. One of it has gone up. That's the only issue. Apart from that, everything is fine. The bike is working absolutely like really nice. It's not giving me any sort of trouble. Need to polish this, lot of work in short. I need to also get a tail grab here.
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं.
Yeah, that's easily a lot of money. We are easily looking at somewhere around 5,000, 6,000 rupees of work. We need to get that done before we can go for any rides. I don't even know what do they decide before they get out of their homes here.
राजू का स्टाइल.
Wow. It's sometimes so cloudy and then all of a sudden there is sunlight. It's amazing. It changes very frequently.
आपके सामने एक बड़ा सा रेड बटन है.
हाँ, है. हाँ, दबा दिया.